Releasing of goods. Listen to the process of releasing goods in a warehouse. 1. Order processing. Once a customer submits an order, it must be processed to check if products requested fall within the supplier's range, availability, and if it's feasible to ship the products. The order is mailed to the warehouse where the products will be shipped, and the products are picked or selected for dispatch. 2 ways of operation. A customer is promised the delivery, e.g., internet-based selling organization. Stock is reserved as a customer place an order. The reserved products are removed from the stock available to subsequent customers. Multiple customers belonging to a single organization may be treated equally as a block. If there is insufficient stock available, and the available product is allocated to the customers in accordance with the supplier, agent's instructions. 2. Stock picking or picking goods from storage. Instruction to pick a certain quantity of a particular product, comes from the warehouse management system in the form of a pick note. A pick note contains information regarding the order and the location of the pick face where the product is stored. It also contains other information such as full description of the product, to assist the picker. It is in a form of printed form or wireless terminal carried by the picker. The recent method is a wireless voice-activated picking method, voice picking. It is difficult to detect errors in picks. The consequences of incorrect picks are physical stock and information records that do not match and customers who receive wrong goods or even no goods. The stock in the pick face must be reconciled with what has been picked to discover errors that may exist, if any. 3. Dispatch assembly area. All goods from the sections in the facility are accumulated into suitable loads for transport. It must be done very systematically as goods should be loaded within a shortest possible time and in most effective way to minimize the transport costs. Goods should be recorded as received in this area so that outstanding goods are easy to identify. The best way to accumulate loads is to allocate a lane for each customer. Loading products into vehicles must be recorded to ensure that correct product is loaded. The driver of the transport must be held accountable for the product and loading process, as driver is responsible for the product once the vehicle leaves the loading dock. 4. Delivery of goods and obtaining proof of delivery. There must be a positive means of confirming the transfer of goods to the customer. Ownership and risks passed to customer on handover of the goods, and there should be no confusion over when this happened and how. Some firms use company stamps in addition to the signature of senior employee authorized to receive the goods. A proof of delivery document signed in accordance with agreed procedures is a prerequisite for transferring goods to the customer. It records completion of the facility's task. Without the proof of delivery, the seller will not get paid, and warehouse may be held liable for loss of the goods. 5. Proof of delivery and billing. Proof of delivery authorizes a facility to bill for the service it renders. Customers are bound to query some of deliveries. Proof of delivery can be imaged onto a computer system, sorted according to the reference number on the proof of delivery so that when a customer queries delivery, the proof of delivery image can be found very quickly and faxed to the customer for confirmation of delivery. The customer may also read the barcode information of the goods in their system. The system will print a receipt and send the facility a copy of the information received from the scanned barcodes. 6. Return of unwanted goods. Goods must be returned to the facility because stock was delivered in error, over-ordered or damaged. Stock delivered in error. The stock was not delivered to the correct customer. Stock damaged in transit should be returned to the facility and the customer is credited not having received the damaged goods. Stock that the facility agrees to accept back from the customer should be recorded as returned stock. Goods returned to the facility must be credited to the appropriate customer at the rate charged by the facility. Damaged goods should be stored in a separate area. 7. Write-off of stock. Damages may occur during operation, transport and loading or unloading. Damaged stock must be removed from the stockholding in the facility. Goods should be sent to a specified zone designated for goods that are sold at a reduced price, where the goods can still be sold, or zero value, where goods are scrapped. Once any value received is recorded, the stock should be removed from the facility and the stock value loss is recorded.